Thanks for training with me. And don't forget to pick up copies of my books, Pilates for Athletes and Power Yoga for Athletes. The link to order both books is below.
Hello, my friends. It's Coach Vigue Vogue, but with an I. This is a big stretch routine. So thanks for clicking on this video. It promises not to disappoint. Fantastic for athletes, runners, grapplers, martial artists, wrestlers, and anybody else who wants to get better. Check in below. And one more thing. What is your favorite martial arts movie? Let me know below as well. I'll let you know mine at the end of this routine. All right, breathing in the nose and out the nose. Bring the bottoms of the feet together. Start with a little butterfly. We're going to keep moving through this routine. A lot of stuff packed in a short amount of time. In the nose, out the nose. Let's rock it side to side. Keeping your body tall. Keeping your shoulders back and down. Posture and alignment is paramount. Whenever you train with Coach Vigue, we're going to hit all the good stuff. We'll always emphasize our best possible body alignment. Shoulders back and down, rocking side to side. Modify as needed in this routine. Filming in my yard, by the way. One of my yards. I have many yards. I have one yard. Back and forth. Let's do it 2 more times each side. The rocking butterfly. We're opening up the hips. We're getting some blood flow. We're preparing our body for what is to come. All right, smash those knees down. They might be higher. That's fine. Work from wherever you are. We're going to hinge forward for 3 breaths. Each exhale, hinge and press down. Always work from wherever you are. That is the best way to do anything in life. Be honest with yourself. Releasing into the stretches. All right, side lunge. We're going to dig a little deeper than we had before with the side lunge. So take this leg out. You can mirror me. I'm going to do a shirt tuck. Open this knee. Hands are down. Start here. I'm going to bring it down a little further. I'm going to take my foot out. I'm going to bring my tush down. Here we are. Other arm across. This leg is extended. You can also take the fingers and lift up slightly. Sinking down, sinking down. Definitely a little more challenging. Side lunge. Walk this foot further outward. There we go. Oh, that is good. I was doing a workout today at the gym. A lot of strength training, and I was playing with this one, and I got the idea. I'm like, we got to do a video revolving around this stretch. Let's do 3 more breaths. Sink your butt down. Keep this open. You could take the elbow right here to open a little further. Oh, that's good stuff. Stretching the hamstring, opening shoulders back and down. And then moving into Garland stretch. Feet wide. You could come up here with the forearms or sink down lower. I'm going to take my arms and I'm going to press them into the insides of the knees. So I'm lifting with the upper body. I'm sinking down with the tailbone. And I'm opening the hips. 5 breaths. Bend the elbows too if you like. Da, da, da. Practice, practice, practice. Üben macht die Meister, as we say auf Deutsch. Oh, that's good. Deep breathing. Breathe into the ribs. Let the ribs expand outward. All right, side lunge, other side. Check your surroundings. Find it. I'm going to mush around a little bit here. Smush and mush. Hush, 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 hush. There we are. Sink back a little bit. Take this foot out. Whew, there we are. I'm going to rock it side to side. Always improving. We can always do better with consistency. I have been great the last week with my core strength and flexibility training on my own. But a couple weeks before that, I was slacking and I felt it. One night, I was downstairs doing some work at night, and my back, my low back, it got really stiff. I was just sitting there. So for about 2 days, it bugged me. It got better. I'm feeling so much better, but it's a definite reminder. You got to stay on top of this stuff. All the time. All right, one more breath. Whew, that is something. All right, back to that Garland. One more time. Take the feet out, forearms here, or sink it down lower. Remember, find your spot. Oh, we're getting some shadows there. Open, 5 breaths. Drop those shoulders back and down. Open the chest. And one more breath. Oh, you can hold this longer if you like. Just hit pause. All right, shake out the legs for the moment. Shake out the arms. Ooh, enjoy that fence there. Straddle with a bent leg. If straddle is elusive right now for you, go back to butterfly. Doesn't that sound nice? Go back to the butterfly. Here we are. Knees bent. Very important. Sit up tall. You don't want to, don't let the upper body start to die. Keep it open, keep the shoulders back and down, keep everything working at 100%. Bent leg straddle. What shall we do next? You could stay here or go into full straddle. There we are. Good. Get a little acclimated to that. Hands here or on the floor, like do a little shimmy. You know me, Coach Vigue likes to shimmy. He also likes to square dance. Back and forth. Whew. Lengthening out, turn in slightly. I have a problem. I have natural turnout, so they pop out like this. Turn it in, nice straight line. Point the feet away from each other. Bring the forearms down too if you want. Rock it side to side. Good. It's dynamic stretching, constantly moving through your range of motion. It works up a sweat. It turns you into an athlete. Whether you think of yourself as one or not, you are an athlete. You are focused. You are dedicated. You are getting stronger every day. All right, side bends. Back and forth. Inhale, lift tall. Exhale to the side. Keep pointing the feet away. Keep everything reaching away and expanding. Now I'm going to add I wrote it down here. What did I call it? The arm slice twist. The arm slice twist. I like that. Give me a slice of that. So back to the center. Your shoulders are back and down. Ooh. Take this arm across. You can mirror me. Boom. Place it here. Here's the slice. Other hand can be back behind you. Oh, what do we got here? Some mulch. Relax the shoulder. There we go. So don't forget everything else we've been working on. Keep the straddle strong. You can hinge forward a little bit. Drop the shoulders. Each exhale, twist to the outside. 5 breaths. As you get looser on this, right now you might be going, ah! A-H-H-H-H-H. That's what I'm spelling there. I don't know if there's an emoji for that. But as you get more comfortable, this hand can go back further. You could take it all the way down. But stay nice and tall, nice and lifted. You can leave this stretch taller than when you walked in. All right. Take a little big arm movement here. Dun, 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 dun. Other side. Arm across, other hand to the back. Ouch. Pine needle right in the finger. So you got some leverage here with this hand and this arm. Deep breathing. Expand the ribs. You're working your breathing muscles, your abdominals, intercostals between the ribs, your diaphragm. Always reminds me of an old Steve Martin joke. Good. How's that feel? Good. Bend the knees if you want to, or go back to butterfly, or go catch a butterfly. But release it. Release it. One more breath. Straddle. Love that. I could spend a whole afternoon in straddle. And I think we will. Hands down again, a little shimmy. Shoulders loose. It also takes the emphasis away. If you're feeling extra tight in the legs, add some movement. Add a little movement to it. It breaks it up. Breaks the monotony of it. Okay. Legs in. You might do that a little slower than me. Oh, cramps. Okay, shake out the arms and the legs. Very good. Shake them out. Clap for nobody. Let's come to a wide-legged position. We're going to dive down and do a twist. I'm going to add a new variation in here. First one is take your hand to the floor, other arm lifts up. If you're feeling looser, bring your forearm down, arm up. 5 breaths. Keep opening up, keep twisting with the inhales. You could twist with the exhale and lift with the inhale. It's up to you. Walk this forearm over when you're feeling looser. Can't wait to spring this one on my class next week. Woo. All right. Other side, pick your poison. 5 breaths. The dogs are barking. Arm to the lower back if you like. Good. How's that feeling? We feeling a major seismic shift in the structural integrity of your bones, of your muscles, of your body. All right, dive down. You can have your hands on the legs, arms down, or reach the arms through. 5 breaths. Relax. Everything relax. Mushy, mushy. Okay. Come on down, seated on the heels or cross-legged. Shoulder rolls. Excellent work, my friends. It's me, Coach Vigue. As always, it is an immense pleasure to train with you. If this workout helped, subscribe, like, share, and comment below what's your favorite martial arts movie. I have a few of them. I grew up watching Lone Wolf McQuade with Chuck Norris and Keith Carradine. Always like that. Enter the Dragon, classic. But the one I've watched more than any other that I adore, that actually first got me into karate and taekwondo, is the... Anyone? Show! Karate Kid. Oh. Hey, it's Coach Vigue again. You remember me? Let me tell you something. If you enjoyed this video, I have a free gift just for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from the brand new Sean Vigue Fitness app. Now, all you have to do is click the link below, either in the About section or the pinned comment. It'll take you to another page. You put in your email, and boom, that video will be sent to you right away. Ooh.